Okay, we are back with another edition of Dating Tips and Tricks. We're going to analyze a dating profile or two. All right, so here we go. We have the dating profile of male who's 39. All right, so this is what his bio says. Well, truthfully, I would give you the world, baby girl. You just got to be worth it. I'm 420 friendly, occasional sipper. I do specialize in pharmaceuticals along with my little LLC with the drinks and daiquiris clicking right now. As interested as the woman who noticed the drive ambition in me, down to earth, a realist who believes in Allah. So, first, I would take a step back and actually use Grammarly or some other kind of app to help out with the spelling and the grammar because there are so many things that if I had my red pen, I would be highlighting. There's so much wrong. But you guys can go ahead and highlight that for us in the comment section. Now, this is what Mel looks like. Well, at least how he's dressed, because when I grabbed the picture, his face was not included. But what we see of Mel, who's 39, is a gentleman who is still dressed like he is in his 20s and going to the club. And I am not sure if that is the kind of man that you guys are looking for. You can let me know in the comment section how you feel he might have improved his dating profile through his dress. So that is Mel, who's 39 in his profile. Now let's meet Vincent, who's 31, and let's check out his bio. He says, no sense in describing myself. Most of you aren't interested in getting to know a real one anyway. I'm mixed black, white, Creole, Asian, European, Cherokee Indian, Blackfoot Indian, French, and more. So I date all races, wasn't raised to see color. I'm shy, so understand that well. I want someone I can be myself around and not a gold digger. I'm picky on who I date, mainly because I'm worth it. I have my own and can cook my own meals. First, before we go further, because he says that he is mixed with all of these things, black, white, Creole, he's mixed with all this. So let's see what Vincent looks like. Now, this is Vincent. Vincent looked like he is mixed with a black mama and a black daddy, but y'all could be the judge of Vincent. But that is what I see. I see Texas black and Alabama black, but that's just me. Once again, I'm not really seeing the Asian and European influence on Vincent, but this is another shot of Vincent. Why these people struggle with where to put their commas and periods, I don't know, but at least he did use commas and periods, so that is a plus. Y'all chime in and tell me what else you think he could improve on.